Good evening, guys. This is Chris. Welcome to Crisp Digitals. Today I will be showing you guys what I have created. It's a very straightforward jotter. That's what I call it. Some of you might call it a short form of a planner, but it's something that I created for the holiday season or the Christmas season. You can also edit this. I also left you in the file when you download it on my website. I also left you an editable PDF. Sorry, not a PDF, but a PowerPoint. I left that there for you so you can change whatever you want to change, the colors and whatever you want to change. Right here, let me just take you guys over what I did. So before I do that, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. I just want to thank all those who have been sharing my videos and have been liking them, and my new and old subscribers. I really thank you guys for all that you've been doing. Now I've gotten to 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate every one of you for doing this. I thank you guys, and I wish you guys all the best in whatever you're doing. As you helping this channel grow, may you also grow in every ramifications of your life. All right, so this planner, or I call it a jotter. A jotter is kind of a note or like a memo that you can carry around. I know you can't really carry your laptop around all the time, but for those of you who have the tablets and stuff, you can definitely carry them around and you can write on them and stuff like that. And also, I just want to point out that majority, if not all, of my planners that I create are meant for OneNote, but I believe some people have used them on their uh, good notes and note shelves and stuff like that. But specifically, I am making them for OneNote. They are PDF files, so you can probably use them in other platforms if you want. Okay. So right here, I created the weekly planner and schedule. This is like a calendar, but it's not. This first row is for Sunday. So everything you want to do for that Sunday, you have about 1, 2, 3, 4 columns of that. Okay, so you can or boxes of that. So in this one column, you have like 4 boxes inside. So you can write whatever you want to write here. Okay, and you can use that to plan for that day right here. And then you have this for Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Okay, and right here I have the notes. Here you can type or write depending on what forms you're using to, you know, write your notes for the day or for the week. Okay, so right here I have the daily planner. So here you have the weekly planner and schedule. Here I have the daily planner, and here you can put your today's appointments and you can put your to-do list. Okay, so I'm having this because of people who just want like a straightforward thing, like a weekly planner and a daily planner. All right, so the next one is the Christmas list. Again, this is not limited to just Christmas. You can use this for, you can change this to maybe Hanukkah, you can change it to um, any holiday that you celebrate at this time of the year. Okay, you can use that. If you have names of people, families who you're buying gifts for, you can put that here. So the names of your kids can be here, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, your sons, your daughters, friends can be here, and you can put the name of the gift you're buying for them. If they are young kids, you might want to write in toys, the name of the toys you're buying, the amount of money you're spending on that. If they're adults, you maybe want to buy them, um, a gift. Say you want to buy them a bag, or you know a car if you want. You can write the amount here and stuff like that. Or if you want to buy them, look, by the way, that reminds me, by the way, for those of you who've been wondering what I've been doing, why I haven't been putting out, videos and stuff, I I have been busy doing something else that is not related um, to this digital planners, but I've been creating my own physical product, and I recently launched it, and it's out there. So if you guys are interested, let me just show you the website. I just did something on it recently. So right here, it's my, like some of you know, I make scented candles, but this is not related to candles, but my name for my business is ANC Candles. And right here is my air freshener that I make. So I pulled this out to show you that you can buy this as well for your Christmas gifts for your friends or family. So right here, if you go on my website, I will leave the link in the description, and you guys can see um, what I've been working on, and right now they are out there for sale. So you can go on my website and purchase them. You can go on the shop page, and you can see all the listings that I have there. And if you have people who you want, like you don't know what to gift to them, and you think that they like something like this, or gift card from my website. This is just a virtual gift card. It works, okay? And you can just go to the shop and you can see, everything you want to, whatever you're interested in for your gift. I should put that out there. I didn't actually plan on doing that, but I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can see that. It came to my mind because of these gifts that I was doing here. All right, so again, if you have people who are interested in that, you can, go on my website and you can do that. But yeah, again, this is just for your Christmas list, okay? So if you have someone who likes books and stuff like that, you can, put their name here, and you can put the name of the books, and you can just put the amount there, so you can know what you're spending for the Christmas holiday. I am telling you, the Christmas or holiday season is so commercialized that, you probably need a loan. You need a loan just for giftings. It is ridiculous. Okay, so but again, if you like doing that kind of stuff, go ahead and do that. Some people save from January to December just for Christmas giftings and stuff. That's a good way of doing it instead of collecting a loan from a bank. Anyways, right here, the next section is the Christmas shopping, decoration and light. So what are you shopping for? Are you shopping for indoor decoration and lightings, or are you shopping for outdoor decoration and lightings, or are you shopping for both? You can do that by just typing whatever you're shopping for here. Okay, like the automatic lights that, or switches that can turn on the lights at dusk and turn them off at probably 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. You can write all those things down here, and your Christmas groceries list, you can put them here, okay? It's not like regular groceries shopping. This is just specific for Christmas. The traditional meals you guys will cook or you make, and you can just write them here so you can go get them, um, before Christmas or before the holiday you're celebrating, okay? Right here is the miscellaneous, like you go out shopping and you probably stumble upon something that you didn't expect, but you saw it and it's kind of captured your eyes, and you're like, you know what? I think my mom will like this, or I think my daughter will like this, or my son will like this. Then you pick it up. So you just want to write that or those things down here, okay? And also this one is just the same notes that you have here. I just copied it and I put it here. When you go out for shopping and stuff, you might want to take notes and list of some things you need to put down and stuff like that. Now the Christmas dinner plans. Right here you're going to have your appetizers, your meals and vegetables. So you're going to write everything down here that you will be using or you will be preparing for that day. You can write them down here. Maybe somebody comes to your house or family members come to your house and they bring their own meal or bring their own food to pass around. You can list those here. And also for dessert, you can do the same thing for desserts. You can list everything right here, your pumpkin pie, your apple pie, whatever pie that you guys um, use as dessert, as your traditional um, dessert. You can list those here. All right, so this planner is just 2 pages and it's totally free, 100% free. You can go on my website and you can download it. I will leave the link to my website in the description, and also I will leave the link to the Facebook group. If you haven't joined the Facebook group, please go ahead and join if you are interested. And right there you will see some updates that I have or some news that I'm throwing out there when I'm uploading new videos and stuff like that. And also you can also mingle with other people there, ask questions and stuff like that, and share whatever you've done with my planner or any other planners. Okay. Also, let me just throw this out there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribing to the YouTube channel is 100% free, so you can do that not just for yourself but to help me grow my channel as well. You can hit the bell notification. This will help you, when I upload new videos, you will be the first to see it. Okay, so when you click the red notification bell, it will I don't know if it's even red, but if you click the notification bell, it will tell you whenever I upload new videos on my channel. All right, please don't forget to share this video and give it a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. And all those of you who have been supporting me from day one, I thank you and I appreciate you. And all those who have been donating to this cause, to what I'm doing, I really appreciate you guys too. Also, please join my website subscribers, people who can, you can subscribe to my website, for $10 a month or $60 a year. What that does for you is that you can download the paid planners that I have. You can download them for free. You can download the paid planners, and also you can sell them and keep 100% of the proceed. You don't have to share the proceed with me. You keep the 100% of it. And I know some people have been doing this. They've been selling some of my planners on Etsy, and they've been making good money doing that. So as long as you are a member and you pay $10 every month or $60 a year, you are free to sell my planners on any platform. All right, thank you guys. I want to appreciate you guys again. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.